Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fabric shavers available on the market today. Whether you're looking to refresh your favorite sweater, revive your couch, or get rid of fuzz on your bedding, these shavers will help you keep your fabrics looking pristine. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's dive right into it. Coming in at number 5, we have the Defuzzer Fabric Shaver and Lint Remover. This budget-friendly option packs a lot of versatility into a compact design. It features 2 adjustable speeds and 3 shaving heights, allowing you to customize your experience based on fabric type and pill size. The inclusion of 2 extra replaceable blades is a thoughtful touch, ensuring long-term usability. The powerful motor runs at up to 9,000 RPM, making it effective for tackling stubborn fuzz on garments, blankets, and even upholstery. However, it's worth noting that this model is not designed for removing pet hair. In terms of design, the Defuzzer shaver feels lightweight and ergonomic, weighing just 5.8 ounces. The large collection container is practical for extended use, but you'll need to ensure the safety lock mechanism is properly engaged to turn the unit on, a small quirk that could frustrate first-time users. While it's battery-operated, this limits portability if you forget to recharge or bring spare batteries. Overall, this is a great pick for those looking for a fuss-free, entry-level shaver. Pros include its affordability, versatility, and safety lock mechanism, while cons include the limited power source and lack of pet hair removal capability. If you're looking for something simple and effective to freshen up your wardrobe, this one's worth considering. At number 4, we have the Philips Fabric Shaver, a compact yet powerful option from a trusted brand. This shaver stands out with its large blade surface, which covers more area per stroke, making it ideal for quick touch-ups. The blades rotate at an impressive 8,800 rounds per minute, ensuring efficient lint removal from all types of garments. Another highlight is the height adjustment cap, allowing you to safely tackle delicate fabrics without worry. Plus, it's powered by 2 AA batteries, making it easy to replace on the go. In terms of design, the Philips shaver boasts a durable plastic build and an ergonomic handle for comfortable use. The removable pill container is large enough to handle multiple garments before it needs emptying. While it performs well overall, its reliance on disposable batteries means you'll need to keep extras handy, which may not be ideal for environmentally conscious users. Additionally, while it's great for regular fuzz, it might struggle with thicker pills on furniture. This shaver is perfect for those who want a reliable, straightforward device for everyday use. Pros include its speed, effectiveness, and trusted brand name, while cons include the reliance on batteries and slightly limited versatility for thicker fabrics. At just $10.99, it's an excellent value for quick household tasks. Rank number 3 is the POPCHOSE Fabric Shaver, a feature-packed option at an unbeatable price of $9.99. What sets this shaver apart is its upgraded 6-leaf blades, which double the cleaning efficiency compared to standard 3-blade designs. With 3 adjustable speeds, it caters to a wide range of fabric types, from delicate sweaters to thick upholstery. The LED digital display is a standout feature, showing battery life and speed settings for added convenience. Plus, the rechargeable 2600 mAh battery offers up to 4.5 hours of runtime after just 2 hours of charging, a major win for portability. The design is compact and travel-friendly, making it perfect for home use or quick touch-ups while traveling. The bionic honeycomb mesh ensures fabric safety, and the safety switch prevents accidental operation if the grid becomes loose. The removable lint collection container is easy to clean and maintain, adding to its user-friendly appeal. However, its lightweight build might feel less durable over time, and the 6-leaf blades may require more frequent replacement. This shaver is ideal for users who want advanced features without breaking the bank. Pros include its affordability, high efficiency, and rechargeable battery, while cons include potential durability concerns and the need to replace blades more frequently. For under $10, this shaver delivers exceptional value and performance. At number 2, we have the POPCHOSE Fabric Shaver, another budget-friendly option that offers impressive features for just $9.99. Like the PayU, this model includes 6 leaf blades running at 9,000 RPM for rapid lint removal. However, its standout feature is the long-lasting 1200 mAh battery, providing up to 2 hours of continuous use. This is perfect for tackling multiple garments without needing to recharge. The USB charging capability also adds flexibility, allowing you to charge from power banks, laptops, or even your car. The design is sleek and compact, featuring a honeycomb mesh for fabric safety and a zero-risk safety lock mechanism that immediately stops operation if the blade cover becomes loose. The removable lint container is secure and easy to clean, minimizing mess during use. On the downside, the smaller battery capacity compared to higher-end models means it's not as suitable for extended heavy-duty tasks. Additionally, while it's great for most fabrics, it may struggle with ultra-delicate materials. This shaver is best for users who need a reliable tool for everyday lint removal without compromising on build quality. Pros include its affordability, USB charging, and fast blade speed, while cons include limited runtime for larger tasks. For its price point, this shaver delivers excellent performance and versatility. And finally, at number 1, we have the Electrolux rechargeable fabric shaver. This premium option is priced at $35.99 and offers top-tier performance and durability. It features 3 adjustable speed settings, allowing you to switch seamlessly between delicate fabrics, thicker garments, and durable upholstery. The 2,000 mAh lithium-ion battery provides up to 180 minutes of runtime and recharges quickly via its Type-C port, a rarity in fabric shavers. The LED display is another premium feature, providing real-time updates on battery life, speed level, and charging status for maximum convenience. The build quality is exceptional, with a stainless steel design that feels sturdy and durable. The reusable storage box adds a touch of luxury, making it perfect for gifting. It also includes an extra blade, cleaning brush, and protective cover for easy maintenance. While it's undoubtedly the most expensive option on this list, its performance, build quality, and advanced features justify the price. The only downside is that its larger size and heavier build might make it less portable compared to smaller models. This shaver is ideal for users seeking professional-grade performance and high-end features. Pros include its long battery life, premium design, and versatility, while cons include its higher price and bulkier design. If you're serious about fabric care, this is hands down the best option available today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best fabric shaver for your needs. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.